And so, after careful consideration and decided,
Please, yes. Please say yes. Please.
I simply cannot permit a snail to
Please,
enter...
so my snail is shot, and I swear you won't regret it.
Mr. Lopez, while I appreciate your enthusiasm, my decision is...
Let him race! 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 Let him race!
Now, order.
Sir, if I may, I like this. No dream is too big, and no dreamer too small. And that is why I, for one, believe that if the Indy 500 isn't going to put a limit on speed, then it shouldn't put a limit on spirit! Give the people what they want. Let him race.
All right. Your snail can compete in the Indianapolis 500.